Durston is the market leader in precision rolling mills, and no wonder. The new DRM SS130 is the space-saving version of the world-famous DRM 130 single-sided power mill. It offers the same specification with a much smaller footprint, perfect for where space is at a premium. The base measures just 45 by 25 centimeters and weighs in at just 106 kilograms. And just like its bigger brother, it's constructed from cast iron for optimal strength and rigidity. The 1.1 kilowatt motor is powerful enough for continuous operation, which is why Durston's mills have such a long working life. This versatile package has variable speed with forward and reverse, and a highly efficient near-silent operation. The rolls are specially induction hardened to 64 RC, the main barrel to a depth of 6 mm, ensuring your rolls last a lifetime. One set of extension rollers provide 4 half rounds. Safety features include one emergency stop button, safety bars at the front and rear of the mill, guards covering extension rollers, as well as another guard covering the top gears. The DRM SS130 single-sided power mill, part of Durston's award-winning range of products available since 1961.